We're on the record in two cases. The first case is cause number 328566. The second case is cause number 328636. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Corey Darnell Hillman. Mr. Hillman, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Hillman, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Hillman?
Man, I could be worse, man.
Okay. Now, Mr. Hillman, as a defendant, well, first of all, Mr. Hillman, the first case is a resisting arrest, search, transportation, and the second case is the same. It's another case. It's a resisting arrest, search, or transportation. Now, in both of these cases, as a defendant, you have three options. Number one, you may hire an attorney. Do you understand that option? Yes. Okay. Number two, if you do not have enough money to hire an attorney, you may request an attorney be appointed to represent you. Do you understand that option?
Yes, sir.
And number three, you may represent yourself. Do you understand that option?
Yes, sir.
If you want an attorney to represent you and have enough money to hire an attorney, the case will be reset to give you time to do so. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you want an attorney and do not have the money to hire one, you will need to fill out a financial questionnaire so that the proper person can determine whether or not to appoint an attorney to represent you. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You may not speak to the prosecutor about your case unless you sign a written waiver of your right to be represented by an attorney. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Be aware that there are dangers to self-representation. Waiving your right to an attorney and representing yourself may result in a worse outcome for you and your case, including the loss of significant legal rights and opportunities relating to military service, possession of a firearm, housing and public benefits, child custody, immigration status for non-citizens, and employment. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you choose to proceed without an attorney, you may change your mind at any time and may request counsel from the court. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you want to hire an attorney, please inform the court that that is your choice and your case will be reset. Or if you have already hired an attorney, your case will be reset and your attorney will be given a copy of the court date. Or if you want to apply for court-appointed counsel, you would have to fill out a financial questionnaire to see if you qualify for the appointment of an attorney. Or if you have a court-appointed attorney, please inform the court as to the name of your attorney. That attorney will be contacted and your case will be reset. Or if you wish to waive your right to an attorney and represent yourself, please inform the court and the court will read to you a written waiver of your right to be represented by an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Hillman, what is your choice?
I would like to represent myself, sir.
Okay, now, Mr. Hillman, hold on a minute. Okay. Okay, now, Mr. Hillman, in State's Exhibit number 1, which is the misdemeanor plea admonishment, there is a written waiver of your right to be represented by an attorney. And it reads, I have been advised this day by the court of my right to representation by counsel in the case pending against me. I have been advised and understand that if I am determined to be indigent, counsel will be appointed to me free of charge. Understanding my right to have counsel appointed to me free of charge if I am found to be indigent, I wish to waive that right and request the court to proceed with my case without an attorney being appointed for me. I specifically waive my right to be represented by an attorney, to consult with an attorney. Before I give up these enumerated rights, it is my decision to represent myself. And I do so knowing the dangers and disadvantages of self-representation. I further elect not to request appointment of counsel. Mr. Hillman, is that true?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Hillman, I'm gonna give you an opportunity to talk to the prosecutor in this case. And once you've talked to the prosecutor, we'll